Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, August 6th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Uh, we just got slaughtered today. Possibly this may have been our single biggest losing day in closed out trades. We closed out negative $31,000 plus some change today. I don't know if that is our worst trade or single closeout of 2020. If it isn't, it's getting pretty close to it. We got into five new positions, two positive, three negative, and we're up a whopping 703 points in those five positions. The Dow, as you can see, had a good day and finished up 185. Um, Again, seeing this pattern I've talked about before. I talk about the rising bear market. I don't know if this is really a bear market, but it's a bear market for us in the last 2 days. Let's just put it this way. You know, we got into all those horrible positions on this day with the Dow, really having a good day, and then it's not gapping down or anything. Well, keep in mind on the close here yesterday, we were negative 9,000. And so going from where we were on the close yesterday to where we got out right here, we tripled our losses. We went from minus 9,000 to minus 31,000. And yet you look at the Dow chart, and I know we're not trading the Dow, okay, but usually the Dow tracks um, our fortunes fairly closely. And this morning the Dow actually opens up and we triple our losses. And the Dow doesn't dip again at all. It keeps going, closes near its high. So we have massive losses in this rising Dow market, which has me scratching my head. Um, but that is the way it went. But I'll share another thing from you because we're all traders and we have to deal with trading psychology. And I've been doing this for over 30 years. And by the way, way back in my other life, some 30 years ago, I was a psychologist. So I'm interested in psychology. And um, it amazes to me just some of the things that happen to you when you're trading and making and losing money. And this was a horrible loss today. And I was thinking to myself, oh my God, we're going to have another month like July, and I don't think I can handle another month like July. And of course, even July wasn't all that bad. It was just really terrible compared with the 8 previous months that we had had. But now I'm looking at August thinking, oh God, are we going to have another July? And then I said to myself, well, I'm going to go back and do the spreadsheets and just see what it looks like, even though we're really, I think we've only had four or five trading days. And I did them, and I realized that because of today's horrible loss, I'd already forgotten what we had done the first 2 days of August. We had made over $64,000 the first 2 days of August. So, in spite of this horrible loss today, we're still up $32,000 for August, which is pretty good since we're not even done with the first week of August yet. So, it's amazing. You tend to focus on negatives when you've lost a lot of money and not look back and think of the good trades you've had, and that's just the way it is. We tend to be very pessimistic people, traders. We tend to concentrate on negatives. I don't know why it is, but that is the way it is. Okay, so um, I have tried to be positive. I'll show you the two good trades we had today, and call it a day here. This first one is TUP, which is Tupperware, and we had bought this yesterday on a gap in the morning, hung on to it, closed near its high, and we got out right about where it closed yesterday, which just happens to be, looks like that's the high of the day. So our exit today was really good in Tupperware, and we took $4,000 and closed out trades out of that stock, and that was the only good trade out of that whole mess. That everything else we closed out was severely negative. That's how we still ended up with a $31,000 loss in spite of Tupperware. And then as far as today, we only got into 5 positions, and as I say, we are showing a small positive number. This is why we're showing a positive number rather than a negative number. This is GSX, which is GSX Tekadu, and that we had actually bought this originally yesterday. Excuse me, we bought it there yesterday at the near the close. We got out today with, I think, like $10 or something like that. Yeah, $15. This trade we got out of was worth $15. But then the thing kept moving while we're not in it. And by the middle of the day, we get re-entered into GSX Tekadu. And it keeps going like a bird there. And we ended up carrying open trade $3,800 in GSX Tekadu. And that's what kept us positive in our open trade for today. It was this one stock. The other 4 stocks kind of smelled. Okay, so hey, I'm okay. I just hate to take a beating like we did today. Maybe we'll do better tomorrow on Freaky Friday. Who knows? I'll be here trading.